Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm here at home with some amazing famous person.
What's up, brother? We are together
Back again.
and we have to do a video again speaking about our
The bet.
bet.
I think I have 2 months for Bitcoin to hit 100k.
1.5,
Less.
I think.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna do it. What are you gonna do with your $2,000 if I don't? You wanted to buy your wife a present for?
Yeah,
Nice.
maybe, yeah.
I can fund this, but it's no, your birthday's earlier. Also, you've gotten much more famous since you were last on my video, right?
Yes.
He's gotten much more famous.
Yes.
How many views did you have in the last 1 month?
400 million.
400 million
Yeah, it's
views on
crazy.
TikTok, guys.
It's crazy.
And now you
Check.
have 4.5 million on TikTok followers.
Nice.
1.5. Check out this. Slavic, guys, follow him on 4.5 million followers and look at the views. 73 million, 27 million, 13 million, 19. I sound like your videos. Like 91.
Yeah.
You gotta check it out. But look at these views. Crazy. How does it feel being worldwide international famous now, which was one of our goals?
Yeah, it's. I don't believe this at the moment right now, and I'm still working on it. So I don't focus on it. I'm working on doing more high quality content, what people like.
How do you become so famous?
How? How I became. I studied acting, and then I just did what I like. So I didn't focus on becoming famous. I just made comedy, because I like comedy, or I like comedy.
So Slavic is famous comedian, now international, one of the most famous people in Germany. And also you can check his channel. He also does crypto, technical analysis and crypto trading. He invests his comedy money into crypto.
The best decision ever made. Because I didn't knew about real estate, and crypto is, I thought, much easier, but it's same. You have to have knowledge in everything what you're investing in, otherwise you will lose your money.
What are you buying right now with your comedy money?
I bought actually yesterday DYDX.
This is the derivatives DEX exchange, decentralized trading exchange. Decentralized derivatives exchange.
The GMX I bought yesterday for a long term holding.
I don't know what this one is.
GMX also derivatives.
I think
exchange,
derivatives DEX exchange.
decentralized.
Why they're going to be big is because Bybit and things like this, they're being forced by the governments to do KYC. So a lot of the trading, people will not want to do KYC, so they'll start moving to derivatives, decentralized derivatives exchange. Derivative.
Yes. This what I bought, and I bought also some other coins, but I can't remember. LDO, I think I bought LDO. This is like this lending platform for based on Ethereum. And I bought Gala.
And you're buying a lot of FXS.
FXS, yes, and Synthetics I bought yesterday also. Gala.
I don't like to buy more than 5 assets in crypto or 5 assets in stocks. So I do 10 assets. Because I learned from Warren Buffett, if you split too much, if you diversify out of 10 assets too much, you're too split. Like you're too.
Yes, that's true. But I don't have so much right now. I sold my Bitcoin and Ethereum in profit, and I have FXS, GMX, SNX, Gala, and AGX.
I'm seeing that Ethereum. I think Ethereum is going to explode up. I think there's just so now it's staking, and it's proof of stake, and it's also not inflationary anymore. It's deflationary, which is crazy. That means that Ethereum is being burnt like very quickly because so many people use it. It's still the most used chain. I don't know. Binance chain is the most because of Binance, and then Ethereum is a second. But for actual crypto usage, I would say Ethereum is the most used.
I think also, especially when the bull market started. I think in the bear market we have to see, but I think in the bull market especially, and I hope and I think we will see another crash, so we can buy even cheaper Ethereum and also something like FXS, because FXS is through this LSD connected to Ethereum, right?
The swaps.
Yeah.
This FXS is like a staking / stable coin / it's like a DeFi platform. We're gonna jump into charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, join 78,000 people, smash up thumbs up button, and turn on the bell there. I was just playing with the community, playing Magicraft MCRT. What the team has been building is incredible. Now we have a play-to-earn game that's playable on PC, Android, and iOS. You can download them directly from the Apple Store, directly from the Google Play Store. We've got the Web3 systems at lobby.magicraft.io. Amazing what the team is building. I recommend checking it out. $MCRT or magicraft.io. Now we're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my technical analysis. I've been doing technical analysis since I was 14 years old, so 21 years of technical analysis. I've taught tens of thousands of students. I have more than 10,000 students taking my courses. 8,100 of you are inside a free Telegram where you can chat together as well. So join. All the links are in the description of this video down below. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. And the market, we've got a little, yesterday we had some pump in stocks, but not so much movement, almost flat. All the markets the last weeks have been a little bit flat, a little bit stocky, pump in Tesla, Uniswap a little bit up, the rest of the market quite flat. I'm going to go into Bitcoin, 29,300, no real movement from Bitcoin. In my opinion, we're up on our the trade from yesterday activated. I think it activated, or did it miss it there? But I think this trade from yesterday is activated. The only thing, the volume, look at the volume. The last few hours of volume has been dropping considerably. It is the weekend though, so that is quite normal for volume to drop. It is coiling, and it does look like it's formed a very strong bottom here at 27,000. It looks cup and handly, so I would still be going with this long from yesterday. Let's go a little bit more. So on the hourly, we're overbought, but still turning to head up. It's still coiling up. 4 hourly overbought. Daily still heading up. Weekly very overbought, but again coiling up. So I still think we're on that. If you've been following my Elliott wave counts, this was the first wave. We went from 16,500, 25,000 back to 19,000. We went long actually from 16,500. If you've been following my trades, we've been taking these profits massively. Made millions, or tens, I think tens of millions since the bottom, which is beautiful. And you can see here that now I think we're in this third wave going to 35k. Then at the third wave, we'll have a correction back down to 31k. And then I think that final impulse wave can take us even to 44k. And most people were laughing at me when I talked about this. If you followed my videos the last few months, I talked about this when we're at 16k. I told everyone that I see a big inverse head and shoulders, and I think that we're going to be going towards 25k and then 35k. And I got a lot of laughs down here at 16k. But now you can see we're actually up at the 29k. So I'm still on this final impulse wave. These final two impulse waves. So I would still be going long. I would take this long. Opening the trade at 29,080. I still think with this low volume, we can have quick spikes down and a pullback, so we can still enter. Risking $327 to make $5,854 without leverage. Risking $327 to make $5,854 without leverage. That's per Bitcoin traded. With 10x leverage, that's $58,000 of profits. It's a 17 risk to reward ratio trade. So that's the trade setup that I'll take on Bitcoin. I'll share this in the free Telegram as well. And I'm going to show you my trades. If you want to trade Bitcoin like you're seeing me do, under the video in the description and pin comment, so down below under the video, go down below, sign up to Bybit using that link. You get $30,000 worth of bonuses. You can get up to $30,000 worth of bonuses when you sign up using that link. And Bybit is also giving away $300 worth of trade, so you can get a free trade for $100 when you sign up using this link. So in the description down below, sign up using that link. Let's also get 500 likes on this and turn on the bell notifications. Let's go into Ethereum now. And I'll go into the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies. Ethereum is sitting at 1900, which is beautiful. It's also it also looks flaggy. But this looks like it on the 4 hourly. This looks like a head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Not good. We could have a drop for Ethereum down to 1,500 if this head and shoulder plays out. Hopefully, we're still in this Elliott wave count. We should be heading onto the fifth wave now, the final wave for Ethereum. But again, if I look at the short term, let's go closer. I see it in head and shoulders here. It's almost clear that I see head and shoulders here on Ethereum. Shoulder, head, shoulder. This is usually a bearish pattern that drops you the distance of the head, this distance here. So Ethereum could actually have a drop here. Let's measure the head distance. I teach all of this in the Crypto Master Course. You can learn technical analysis and save 21 years of you can just learn it instead of having to learn it yourself. If this head and shoulders breaks to the downside, 1,471 will be the target, but that would be a brutal sell-off. So let's go closer. We need to check out the indicators. So Crypto Guru bot on the daily, still firing a blue buy, hasn't flipped to a sell. It called a buy here at 1,500. Crypto Guru bot still firing a buy. Bitcoin indicator bot is still hasn't fired a buy or sell recently, which is quite interesting. On the stochastic on the daily is oversold. On the weekly, very overbought, but curling to head up. On the monthly, extremely oversold. So it's still looking bullish. So we can still see that this head and shoulders can still be invalidated. We can, and if we go out more on the weekly, we can say we have a big inverse head and shoulders, the opposite, which is a bullish pattern that should be taking us to 2,500. So there's still a lot more bullish patterns than I would say bearish patterns right now. So hopefully we need to watch this closely, but hopefully this head and shoulders on the shorter time frame is going to be invalidated, and we're going to continue up on that 4th to 5th final impulse wave, taking us to 2,600. So it's a very important moment for Ethereum. Let's see if we need to get a movement out. It does look, if we go closer on the hourly, it does look bull flaggy. So on the hourly, it does look like it's coiling up for a strong movement. Let's see what pattern we're getting here. So we have this kind of formation here. It's a rising wedge, which is actually bearish. Let's monitor it closely. It both overbought. I mean, normally this would be extreme. That the 4th to the 5th wave is extremely bullish. The only worry is this short-term head and shoulders. So we need to get through this and start moving out and not break down to the downside for Ethereum. So this point here is very important for Ethereum. I would still take this long for Ethereum from yesterday also, because with this head and shoulders we could have a quick pullback. So I would keep this long for Ethereum. From the monthly support, opening the trade at 1828, stop loss 1747, and take profit 2661, risking $81 to make $832 without leverage, 10x leverage, $8,320 on Ethereum, which is beautiful. Now going to the total market cap of all cryptos. Good to see you. And on the 4 hourly, also seeing this rising wedge, which can also break down. This is a rising wedge, plays out like this and can break down here. So again, even on the total market cap of cryptos, we're seeing a little bit of a bearish pattern here. So let's monitor it closely to see what's going to be happening. But okay, let's go closer on the hourly. 4 hourly still coiling up, RSI stochastic coiling up. We've got a lot of support here on the total market cap of all cryptos. Right here is a very strong support, 1.1 trillion. Let's go more out. I want to get a really clear picture of what I think will happen with the total market cap of all cryptos. But again, if we zoom out onto the monthly, this was 2017 bull market where we went to 700 billion, then we came down to 200 billion. This was 2021 where we went to 3 trillion and we came all the way back to 700 billion, which was the top of the previous bear market, which if you remember, if you watch my videos, you remember Ron, he called that perfectly. So I do think we are bottoming here. This, in my opinion, the time to sell was up there when I called the day of the top on November 11th, 2021. We sold everything. That was the time to sell. This time is, in my opinion, the time to buy. So I have been buying here, but on monthly, we're very oversold on the stochastic on the monthly. Daily, we're overbought, but it is curling to head up. And I am on the daily. I'm still also seeing this this same pattern. This on the daily charts, inverse head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulder. So that's an inverse head and shoulders pattern, like I showed before, which is a bullish pattern. That can take us to 1.3 trillion. So I'd still be bullish from here for the total market cap of all cryptos. Again, if you want to trade, I'm going to show you my trades now under this video. Go down below and sign up to Bybit using that link. $30,000 worth of bonuses. You can also get MCRT on Bybit. I'm going to show you some cool stuff with MCRT. So I was just playing the game. You can this is MCRT. You can go to app.magicraft.io. You can swap USDT for MCRT directly inside the lobby.magicraft.io. So you can see here inside the lobby, you can have a game browser. You can check the wallet history of the games, which is on smart contracts. So these games are recorded on smart contract. You have marketplace, mint NFTs, buy MCRT. You can go to lobby.magicraft.io. You can create lobbies and play the games through Web3. This was me in 2021 predicting the future as usual. Are you worried that a new drug made a few months ago is being given out to the entire world? That was in April 2021, almost 2 years ago, more than 2 years ago. Wow. And I was 45% of the people said yes, 55% of the people said no, which makes no sense, because why would you take taking an untested drug is obviously something to be worried about. This was Bloomberg in April 2021 being proud that more than 726 million doses of an untested drug across 154 countries of the vaccine, the COVID vaccine, went out. And I posted the same anyone else, this was in April 2021, anyone else have zombie TV series pop into their head when they read about a new drug that got rushed through is so widely distributed? And again, I was right, predicting the future as usual. This is Warren Buffett's website for Berkshire and Hathaway. It looks like a website from like the 1990s. This is his website of one of the biggest companies in the world. And this is what I said as well. Buffett is an amazing investor from the 1900s, but I don't think he understands Bitcoin technology, such as complicated technology when you have something like this. Also, if you've been following ChatGod.ai, it's a WhatsApp and Telegram AI system that you can talk to for free on WhatsApp and Telegram. ChatGod.ai, you can get it right now for free. It's now got more than 56,000 users just after 1 month. So follow closely this ChatGod.ai, but it's just amazing to use on your phone as well, which is beautiful. So those are my trades, those are my thoughts. Also, you can join Magicraft in the free Telegram. I've been talking there. There's new and playing with many people, just discussing things. You can check it out. It's a free Telegram. And you can also join the Crypto Guru Telegram, where there's 8,000 of you inside that Crypto Guru Telegram. The link, this is ChatGod, by the way, ChatGod.ai. I said, show me a picture of you. And this is the picture that the ChatGod created, which is an AI technology. And again, you can join Bybit using that link. You can join the free Telegram, 8,100 people that are discussing James Crypto Guru alerts. And you can check out Magicraft. You can also buy MCRT on Bybit, which is beautiful. This is my Bybit account. In here, I've got, in this account, I've got my Bitcoin trade, $20,604 in the profits, 276%, 2.98 Bitcoin. And I've got in this account, $263,000 in here. I've got 4 Bitcoin, 119,000, 37,000 worth of MCRT, $22,000 with TON, 20,000 FXS, 10,500 Uniswap, 3,200 of Ethereum inside this trading account, which is beautiful. So again, those are my updates on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Check out MCRT, but again, do your own due diligence, people. This is not financial advice. This is what I'm doing with my money in the markets. You have to do your own due diligence. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day. Big congratulations if you've been following my videos, and just if you've been on the journey with me for 3.5 years, you know what we've done, how we've traded the tops and bottoms for the last 3.5 years, made multiple millions of dollars. I was already a multi-millionaire before Magicraft or before ChatGod. And I'm going to keep showing you even after I become a multi-billionaire from ChatGod, MCRT, and all the projects in crypto and just in general. Thank you for watching. Love you all, and keep learning, keep studying. I'm doing all of this from my iPhone, so I'm just a guy with an iPhone. You can do all of this too. I'm trading on here. I'm talking to the Magicraft team of 100 full-time employees that are building the MCRT world, Magicraft world on iOS, PC, Android. I'm also building ChatGod company from my phone as well, trading, investing, stock investing, what I'm buying all the time. I like, as I told Slavic, 10 assets, Bitcoin, Ethereum, MCRT, FXS, TON, Uniswap, so a little bit more. And on the stock side of things, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, TSM, and Facebook. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.